this is just a quick video to make sure you've got the right settings organised for your Seesaw folders. And what this will do is make sure that the folders you organise your work into will also be seen by the children. So when you're explaining possibly where work is, or trying to retrieve it from previous, or looking to the future to find it to build on, it will be in the same folder structure as what you've got, and therefore easy to explain. So just make sure that it's in the right place. You go to the cog of the top corner for your class. And if you scroll down to the section where it's got folders here, and then it's making sure that this show add to folder step is toggled and clicked on students and teachers. By default it's at teachers, but if you do students and teachers, it makes sure that the children see the same folder structure as what you've got. So when you come to look at the activities that you've set, it will have your folder structure here, and obviously you'd have more folders than just my test class, but whichever folders, whether it's by topic, by skill, you'd organise it here, they'd see the same thing. So hopefully that's helpful for you. You just need to make sure that's done for your class. I know there's a lot of different people starting to use Seesaw a little bit more, so we just need to make sure that the setup is correct for your classes. So it's in the cog section up here. Thanks, bye.